Nginibingelele nginamukele bafowethu emakhaya. Okhulumayo la phambi kwenu uhlula umthakathi. Kanti uhlelo olithamele njengamanje lubizwa ngokuthi isintu ngeScience. Okuyila khona bafowethu esuke sibhekisisa kabanzi khona ngemvelaphi yomuntu, impilo, imvelo kanye nomdali wakho. Inkulumo zami bafowethu zigxile kakhulu kwi-spirituality kanye nento esiyibiza ngokuthi i-matrix. I-matrix ngani zakwethu iyona mbangela enkulu eholela ekutheni thina singabantu siyithuke sinolwazi olufishane olunganele olungakhona ukugculisa umphefumulo malungelana noNkulunkulu na imvelo nalempilo esiyiphilayo. Uyabona, i-matrix ke ineyinhlelo zakhona ama-programs wakhona okuyizinto engihlezi ngikhuluma ngazo, ngiyaye ngize ngibhale futhi ngenze nama examples wakhona ukuthi konke kuyinhlelo ze-matrix. Okusho ukuthi nje i-matrix singayifanisa nomabonakude. Angithi umabonakude kufike kube khona wona ebese kuba khona izinhlelo zawo umabonakude. Uyabona, bese kuba khona futhi nama character abantu abadlala lezo inhlelo lezo. Nathi ke sisesimene esithi asibe kanjalo. Kukhona i-matrix njengomabonakude ebese kuba khona izinhlelo zakhona okwenza nje umzekelo isonto, isikole, ezomnotho, ezepolitiki njalo njalo. Yizi inhlelo lezo ze-matrix thina esiparticipate kuzo, and akekho noyedwa phakathi kwethu engathi ngiyamsola ngokuparticipate kulezo nhlelo ngoba izinto esizalelwa kuzo kulomhlaba sithi sizalwa nje sibe siparticipate. I mean, from the moment uzalwa unikwa i-code lesibiza nge-ID, bak-identifya ngaleyo code leyo. Abalazi igama lakho labantu ababusa umhlaba baphethe umhlaba bakwazi nge-ID yakho. Mabe punch i-ID yakho kuvela yonke into ngawe negama lakho libese livela. Kusho menza libalekile igama lakho nesibongo sakho. Into ebalekile le code le ID. So uyabona ukuthi makuyinto ozalelwa kuyo lena akekho umuntu ongamsola. You can't blame your parents because nabo babezalelwe kuyo le matrix system. Engikwenzayo mina ukuthi nginiqwashise bafethu ngaye matrix, angisho ukuthi u-wrong ini wena ngokuya esontweni, u-wrong ini ngokuya esikoleni, u-wrong ini ngokwenza ukuthi nokuthi. Ngiyakuqwashisa so that in future uzokwenza izinqumo eziphusile ngempilo yakho, so understand ukuthi yonke lento obukade uliparticipate kuyo isahlangene ne-matrix. Uyabona, inkulumo zami bafethu zigxile kakhulu kwi-cosmology. Ngidela nje ne-cosmology noma i-cosmic history noma ngolimi lwe-science sesekuyaye kuthiwa ke manje ke i-space science. Inkulumo zami bafethu iphinde igxile futhi kwinto ebizwa nge-quantum science noma i-quantum physics or i-quantum mechanics. Ziphinde zizogxila futhi kwi-molecular biology, kwi-physical sciences, kwi-biology and human anatomy, kwi-kinetic science kanye ne-Merkaba mechanics. Okay ke bafethu, namhlanje ngizothanda ukuthi ke sikhulume ngama-fallen angels. Lawa ohlezi ungizwa ngikhuluma ngawo ngithi awumsuka wazo zonke inkinga zethu. Ngaphambi kokuba ngiqale nje ngawo ama-fallen angels bafethu, nakhe ngifuna sikwazi njoba ngihlezi ngisho i-cosmology ngiyithanda la. Isinika ulwazi olugcwele ngalempilo esiyiphilayo, ikakhulukazi imvelaphi yalempilo esiyiphilayo. I-cosmology ayikheli phezulu, iqala from umsuka ifinyelele la esesikhona khona njengamanje. Njengoba uyawungizweke nami mangikhuluma ngiyayichaza lento kusukela kuye uNkulunkulu esayi energy ukuthi izinto kuza kanjani ukuthi zisuke from being energy into being biology. Kuza kanjani ukuthi izinto zisuke from being leyo energy leyo noma zenzakala emfihlakalweni la zingabonakali khona kuze kufinyelele la khona sezibonakala sekuyithi singabantu, sekuyisibhakabhaka, sekuyihlahla, sekuyamanzi, sekuyilwane, sekuwama dimensions, sekuyigalaxy, sekuyi-universe. Zonke lezo zinto ikhandwe yileyo energy. And uma ukuthi usungilandelisisile kahle kuwo wonke nje ama-platforms usuyangazi usungijwayele, uzo-understanda futhi uzokhumbula ukuthi mina mangichaza le ndaba yempilo ngiyichaze nge-quantum science ngisuka le kuNkulunkulu esaseyi-energy even before emanifesta izinto. Ngikuchazele futhi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyena okhanda ama-blueprint akwazi ukuthi amanifeste zonke izinto esesinazo. Ngiyithanda lapho kwi-cosmology. So nakuyo le ndaba yama-fallen angels, uma ngabe uyawuhlezi ungizwa ngikhuluma ngoNkulunkulu eyi-energy, ngizobala izidalwa ezingumsindo lezi eBhayibhelini ezibizwa nje kuthiwe halamuzi, kuthiwe ulizwi. Bese ezesibili kuba yilezi nakhona eBhayibhelini okuya kuthiwe halamuzi, kuthiwe ukukhanya. Izidalwa lezo makuthiwa uNkulunkulu wayenolizwi eqaleni wabe sethi akube khona ukukhanya. Yizo lezo izidalwa iBhayibheli likhela phezulu, uyabona. These are energy beings in a form of light and sound. Ngiyangize ngichaze futhi ngithi ulight no sound formulate something esibiza nge-electromagnetism, which means ulight no sound are actually properties of electromagnetism. Bese ngithi ke i-electromagnetism uyena uNkulunkulu loyo mangithi uyi-energy. Ungacabangi isidalwa esinentshebe emhlophe esihleli esihlalweni sobukhosi esihlala le esibhakabhakeni esizokujezisa esinolaka esinomona ngawe esingafuni ukuthi ukhonze abanye uNkulunkulu. Cha, kanjalo uNkulunkulu akafani nawe. Ngiyangize futhi ngithi uma sithi uNkulunkulu ufana nawe kuyofana nokuthi usiyachema ngoba phela nesihlahla sikhandwe uye sizommangalela sithi awu mina ungishiya ngaphi mawuthi wena ufana nomuntu. Nesibhakabhaka sothi ungishiya ngaphi mawuthi wena ufana nomuntu. Namanzi azothi ungishiya ngaphi mina ngoba nami ngikhandwe uwe mawuthi wena ufana nomuntu. uNkulunkulu therefore akachemi, uhleli nje kulesi state sakhe sokuba yi-energy. Akaza shintsha, akaza abe umuntu. Ukhande umuntu kunalokho. Akaza abe isihlahla uNkulunkulu kunalokho. Ukhande isihlahla, ukhande zonke izinto. Yena iform yakhe, at least the only way esingadefine ngakhona uNkulunkulu ukuthi sithi uyi-energy, hayi ukuthi sithi umuntu njengathi. Uyabona? So i-cosmology ngiyithanda lapho ngoba ayikhele emsileni lento. Njengoba uzokunaka nje neBhayibheli ukuthi likhela phansi lento liyayiroba, liqhamuka seliveza uEarth kuphela ukuthi ke wena uNkulunkulu wadala izulu nomhlaba. Alikutshela iBhayibheli ngecosmology yonke ngokugcwala kwayo. Likutshele ngegalaxy, likutshele ngestella, likutshele ngama-celestial bodies, likutshele ngama-universes ne-multiverse yonke njalo, likhela nje phezulu. Ingakho ke ngithe mina ekuqaleni kwale video ngathi iMatrix iyasincintsha ulwazi, ayisinikeze ulwazi olugcwele oluphelele ngoNkulunkulu nempilo yonkana lesi esiyiphilayo, right? So njengokwenjwayeleko befethu niyazi ngihlezi ngiphethe nayo inkapamalanga yami, inkunzimalanga yami le engibhala kuyo ama-spiritual downloads nokunye nje okuwulwazi enginalo. Kanti futhi ngiyangikuveza ukuthi ulwazi lolu esengikhuluma ngalo lwe-cosmology cha bafethu ngeke ngizenze usiyazi nami ngilithwasele ngaphansi komama esimbiza uAshayana wakadini. She's all over the internet, ungaresearcha ngaye. Yizeke ulwazi lwakhe luyaye luncishiswe ku-internet, ngeke nje ulithole kalula kanjalo, nozolithola futhi kakhulukazi ezikhathini zamanje. Selu-infiltrated kakhulu, selu-distorted, selu-omitted, selu-plagiarized, balishintsha lapha nalapha ukuze singafinyeleli thina esilincelayo lolo lwazi, singafinyeleli la khona siba yilabo uNkulunkulu uAshayana azozivusa ukuthi sizoba yibona. Ashayana singamfanisa nalomuntu wakuthiwa uJesu noma lo esesimbiza ngoJesu njengamanje ngoba ulethe lezo imfundiso ezayifundiswa uyena uJesu lezi ezalahleka. Uyabona, ingena lapho ke i-cosmology, right? But before sifika ke kuwama-fallen angels, usuyazi ngihlezi ngichazela ngithi in the beginning there was God as energy. God as energy then manifested izidalwa zokuqala lezi sithi zingumsindo. Lezi eziwumsindo za manifest ezinye eziwukukhanya. Kwase kuthi lezi zo2 eziwumsindo nokukhanya zahlanganisa ama properties wazo okusound no light ukuze zikhiphe ezinye idalwa lezi siyibiza ngokuthi they are the crystals creator races. Ngase ngithi futhi ke konke okudaliwe in the multiverse kunalama frequencies lawa of the crystals creator races. Konke okungasasenawo lawo ma frequency uyabona kuyabe sekwenza okuphambene nentando kaNkuluNkulu. Konke okunala okusathola lama frequencies esithi it's the crystals frequencies because of the crystals creator beings. Ngakuchazela nokuthi negama elithi crystals laqhamuka kanjani okuyileli sesilisebenzisa kuChrist ke ezikhathini zamanje mawuzokhumbula ivideo edlule ngoba besichaza kakhulu nje ngoChrist ngomlando kaChrist neChristos njalo njalo uyabona. Kusho ukuthi since sithi lezi idalwa lezi ezingama crystals creator beings since kuyizona ezaqhubeka zakukhanda impilo ngemvume kaLwizwi nokukhanya benomdali. Kusho ukuthi ke yonke into ekhona ekhandiwe inawo ama crystals frequencies. Kodwa into eyithola ingasasena noma isidalwa esiyithola singasasenawo lama frequencies lawo siyabe sesenza okuphambene nentando kaNkuluNkulu. Ngoba ukuze isidalwa senze okuhambelana nentando kaNkuluNkulu kumele sibe nawo lama crystals frequencies. Lezi idalwa lezi engasasenawo ama crystals frequencies lezi siyibiza ngama fallen angels zayihlamuka zona from lawo ma frequencies lawo ngoba isidalwa masisase ngaphansi kwalawo ma crystals frequencies sisuke sengamelwe uNkulunkulu. Wena wabona ingane eshiye ekhaya ibaleke ekhaya ngoba ifuna ukuyiphatha. Lezi idalwa zayifuna ukuyiphatha ke zase zayihlamuka ke from lama frequencies. Ngokuyihlamuka nawe yazi ke ingane eyihlamuka ekhaya iyayihamba ikhuluma kabi ngabantu basekhaya ithi ekhaya bangihlupha ekhaya nje bayabheda nani uyabona ngoba ayisekho ngaphansi komthetho wasekhaya. Lama fallen angels siwathatha kanjalo ke asase yingane zakhe umdali kodwa esezihlamukile kuye. Kusho ukuthi lapho ke they are now playing by no rules kaNkuluNkulu uyabona. Lama fallen angels that's exactly the same thing ayenzayo kuzo zonke idalwa ezikhona in the multiverse. Ukuze kuzoba njani ukuze phela nalezi idalwa ezaxhumene noNkulunkulu zizoyihlamuka kuNkulunkulu zilandele wona lama fallen angels ngoba seyikholwa lesi story esesiqhamuka nama fallen angels uyabona. So ama fallen angels in a nutshell idalwa ezikanjalo. But ke okunye futhi kumele sikwazi ngalama fallen angels ukuthi they are capable of creating impilo. Why kukanjalo? It is because in the beginning babe ingxenye yama crystals creator races. Lama crystals creator races kwakubekwe kuwo ukuthi wona aqhubeke akwazi ukukhanda impilo. So mangabe seyihlamuka kuNkulunkulu awaphucwanga lawo mandla. Asakhona konje ngamanje. Because lawo mandla defines them ukuthi who they were in the beginning. Ngokunjalo ke ngokuthi bayakwazi ukukhanda impilo they are considered noma they were considered the blueprint of life. Why they are considered the blueprint of life? Because yibona phela bakhanda impilo. So yonke into yayidinga ifoundation okuwukuthi blueprint. So lezi idalwa sithi ziyi blueprint ngoba yizona ezumsuka ezakhanda yonke lempilo esinayo in the multiverse. Imvume ziyinikwa ulizwi nokukhanya. Ulizwi nokukhanya nabo lo mvume beyinikwa umdali lo seqaleni uyabona lo esiyasithi ke umveli inqangi noma umenzi noma umdali uyabona. So asingeneke kulezi idalwa bafethu sithole kabanzi. Sithi lana idalwa ezine crystals zenza intando kaMdali. Idalwa ezingasasenayo iChristos azisayenzi intando kaMdali. Kushuthi nje ngolimo ozwakala kangcono sithi idalwa lezi ezine crystals fine zibizwa ngokuthi they are the crystals creator races. But lezi ezingasasenawo lama frequencies eChristos ziyabe sezibizwa ngokuthi they are the anti-Christos races. Liqhamuka kanjalo ke igama elithi antichrist. Akuchazwa uLucifer eyedwa. uLucifer singasho ukuthi is part of ama fallen angels ngoba ngihlezi ngikuveza ngikufihla ukuthi baningi labantu ekukhulunywa ngabo noma ziningi lezi idalo ekukhulunywa ngazo. Kufana nanoma mangiya ngichaze about i-religion ungizwe ngikhuluma about the Jehovah's Anunnakis and the Jehovah's Matrix ngithi ibona bengamele lento yenkolo. Ngiyangikuveze futhi ukuthi ababodwa baningi bayibhodi noma isigungu sama fallen angels amaningi engamele lama programs lawa esiphila ngaphansi kwawo engihleze ngiwasho eMatrix, which means iMatrix yengamelwe yiwo lama antichrist noma these antichristic beings. Nanokuthi nje bafethu okunye kumele sikwazi ukuthi impilo thina sesiphila kulomhlaba njengamanje isuka le phezulu kuzo lezi idalo kwaxabana zona kuqala zaba nepolitiki lezi idalo uyabona kwaba nama conflicts and okunye engifisa ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi lezi idalo eqaleni zazi umndeni owodwa right zibizwa ngama Christos creator races mangabe seyihlukana phakathi kwase kuvela the guardian Christos races and the fallen Christos races noma the antichristic creator races base behlukana phakathi uyabona wena wabona izingane zandawonye bese zithi mase yihlukana bese lezi zikhuluma kahle ngomndeni lezi zikhuluma kabi ngomndeni ama fallen angels ke ilezi izingane noma lohlangothi lweingane ezikhuluma kabi ngekhaya lakubo futhi ezifuna ukulidestroya ikhaya lakubo uyabona lezi ezingama guardian zisalivikela ikhaya ziyalwela zonke izimpi esinazo nama conflicts esinakho la lomhlaba losiphila kuwo njengamanje kuvela le phezulu kwaxatshanwa le phezulu kwaliwa le phezulu so konke okungaphansi kuzolandela leyo template the same way if izinto zahamba kahle kwangaxatshanwa namanje njoba thina sesila kwamhlaba ngabe sisalandela leyo template yokuthula nothando and peace but because kwaba nezimpi lela ezivela khona emadlozini ethu amakhulu emazulwini okuqala namanje ke but kithi kusa manifesta as zonke lezi zinto zepolitiki ukudla esikudlayo njoba sibulawa ngokudla ama agendas emedia ama agendas epolitiki ama agendas eeconomy zonke lezo zinto akusiza izinto eziqhamuke nje seyikhandwa ama elites nama Illuminati family lines cha kuqhamuka le from the stellar from the galaxies from the multiverse kuliwa le then kithina bese kufika la so that's why kubalekile ukuthi siwazi lo mlando bafethu ukuze sizozazi izinto ezisi-influencer ukuthi kahle kahle umnyombo wazo imuphi ziqhamukapi njoba sezila sezisi-influencer nathi nje singabantu so lezi idalwa zathi mase yihlukana phakathi ayesikhuluma specifically ke about lezi ezibizwa ngama fallen angels zabe seyihlukana kathathu ke zona uyabona kwabe sekuba khona ezibizwa ngokuthi they are the Anu Elohim kwase kuba khona ezibizwa ngama reptilians kwase kuba khona ezibizwa ngama draconians but ngale nkathi zisasendawonye njoba dengisho ukuthi they were called the Christos creator races and nakhona zayihlukene phakathi lezi ezokuqala ezaziphezulu ku dimension 12 zayibizwa ngokuthi they were the Elohai Elohim ezazi ku dimension 11 they were called the Seraphai Seraphim ezazi ku dimension 10 zona zayibizwa ngokuthi they are the Braharamas uma uzokhumbula kahle ke eBhayibhelini liyavela igama elithi Elohim liphinde livele igama elithi Seraphim ongabe wena uyitshela ukuthi yidalwa ezinhle lezi kaNkuluNkulu uElohim yizo lezi idalwa ezayihlamuka no Seraphim yizo lezi idalwa ezayihlamuka uyabona kusa representa wona ama fallen angels but wena wazi uyayitshela ukuthi hayi ingelozo ikaNkuluNkulu ngoba kuyavela naseBhayibhelini ukuthi ama seraphim abekwa lapha ensimini yase Eden ngalesikhathi sekuxoshwa uAdam noEva uyabona yizo zonke izinto engeke ngithi asizazi lezi ngesimanga sayo iMatrix up until this day ke bafethu lezi idalwa they are still in control of ama affairs zonke izinto ezenzakala la kwamhlaba till this day they are still in control of most galactic and planetary conflicts and wars, and they are influencing our shadow government and public government. They are behind all media outlets, economic and political sectors. They control the elite families and Hollywood America. Ijulileke lento engiqeda ukuyisho bafethu. Uyabona? Kuthwalana ke lezi idalwa since lento yenzakala long time ago some billion years ago ngoba umhlaba mdala bafethu awuqali manje uyabona kuthiwa zonke lezo zimpi ezenzakala those galactic and planetary wars and conflicts ezenzakala yizona eziholela ukuthi nathi siphilele impilo esisayiphila njengamanje kushuthi thina akukho ukuthi sithi siphilela impilo yethu sisafola under lama conflicts until we get to the bottom of lama conflicts senze inqumo eziphusile ukuqhubekela phambili sizokwazi ukuthi sikhulule, but masalibe siphila ngaphansi kwalama conflicts ngokungazi. Uyabona nje ukungazi ukuthi asinalo ulwazi kwenza ukuthi siparticipate kulama conflicts wakho. Kodwa uma sesazi sizokwazi ukuthi siyincomule siyikhiphe from wonke lama wars nama conflicts ngokuthi senze inqumo eziright, but ulwazi lifihliwa sinalo. So asikwazi kwakwenza lezo nqumo eziphusileke moving forward ngenxa ukuthi sifihlela ulwazi thina sitshela ukuthi hayi kusase right yonke into siyayiphilela siyayibusa futhi sesikhululekile. Uyabona? So kuthiwa futhi ke lama fallen angels iwona asa influencer ohulumeni bomhlaba bonke. Ebese kuba khona lo hulumeni esithi i-shadow government. Lo hulumeni lo ocashile ongazi wena ngayo, wena wazi lo hulumeni lo osiphethe, awazi ukuthi kwa lo hulumeni osiphethe uphethwe ilona esimbiza ukuthi u-shadow government, lo ngekho obala ongaxoxa nanokuxoxwa ngaye. Ingakho siyasikhulume ngama 13 rich families la owaziyo ke lapho esesibala khona Oppenheimer, Rupert, sibalo Queen lapha eEngland, sibalo America. Yiwo wonke ku shadow government lo okuyibona abantu abacontrol ohulumeni bomhlaba wonke. Inqumo nama decisions kwenziwa by these shadow governments bese bekuletha kwi-public government, and lo shadow government usa regulator yiwo ama fallen angels, yiwo athatha inqumo. Uyabona? So lama fallen angels ke nalo shadow government kuthi uyibona abasalawula lento ye-media, ama media outlets. Njoba ubona ngathi media nje yasikhohlisa iyasidukisa isiqambela amanga, khona indaba abangabhali ngazo. Uyazi bafethu khona izinto ezinyantisa igazi ezenzakalayo ngalempilo esiyiphilayo akubhalwa ngisho nanokubhalwa ngazo. I-journalist iyayizame ukuresearcha ithi ifuna ukuthola iqiniso ngalezo zinto, iyabulawa lo journalist ngoba indaba engamele iphume lezo. Zonke lezi zinto icontrolwa ama fallen angels. Imedia nje yonke nje ne-entertainment industry kucontrolwa yiwo lama fallen angels. Ipolitiki, ezomnotho njoba sengibalile kucontrolwa yiwo lama fallen angels esebenzisa u-shadow government ngama elite families. Uyabona? I-Hollywood America ke nayo futhi yengamelo kakhulu by lama fallen angels njoba sengishilo. Siyazi ke ngeHollywood bafethu le lapha eAmerica eproduce ama movie, ekhiqiza abaculi njalo izinto ze-fashion, angeke ngisagxila lapho. But wayona iHollywood yengamelwe yiyo lama fallen angels ukwenza sure ukuthi lento yokusidukisa nokusifihlela ulwazi iyenzeka, and thina asifinyeleli olwazini oluzokwazi ukuthi lusikhulise, lusambulela amaqiniso bese lusenza sibe yilabo uNkulunkulu uYeshua ezosikhumbuza ukuthi siyibone. They are also the influence behind all earth conflicts and wars, such as world war, recessions, and colonizations. Right? Lapha kusho ukuthi ke zonke lezi zinto zala emhlabeni ebese sizazi sitshela ukuthi izimpi nje zethu zala emhlabeni. I-world war siyazi ngayo, izinto ezifana no recessions la ku crashwa khona economy iphindwe ikhande kabusha, izinto ezifana no colonizations, yizo zonke izinto ezivela ngakuwo ama fallen angels lawo. They influenced the creation of the Bible through the Council of Nicaea in order to inject fear into humans for control purposes. Nayo futhi bafethu i-Council of Nicaea le ngihlezi ngikhuluma ngayo ngithi iBhayibheli lakhandwa lapho ke eyayiholwa nguConstantine okwaku emperor wamaRoma ngaleso sikhathi. Kuthiwa ke nayo it was influenced by wona lama fallen angels esikhuluma ngawo, right? They also created all traditional ancestral beliefs for the indigenous people to serve the same purpose served by a religion. Uyabona? So kushuthi yonke lento kade ngisho nge-religion ukuthi they created ilokhungana i-religion ngenhloso yokuthi ke bafake ifiye kubantu so that kuzoba lula ukuthi abantu bacontroleke. Leyo nhloso leyo sithi ke it is the same purpose edlalwa yizo zonke ilokhungana izinkolo zethu zamasiko. Thina ke lapha njengamaZulu inkolo yethu sibiza ngokuthi inkolo yethu yesintu nje sibiza ngokuthi inkolo yamadlozi le silandela imigudu yakhona. Kuthiwa nayo ke futhi it was created by the same fallen angels, which means amaXhosa menesiko lawo nawo, abaSuthu mabe nesiko lawo, amaMuslim menesiko lawo, zonke nje izizwe einamasiko azo, amasiko indigenous. Ama fallen angels adlala indima enkulu ekutheni lawo masiko lawo akhandeke, right? Ngayo inhloso ukuthi still basafuna ukucontrola thina njalo. They are the ones who were behind the fall of Atlantis. Uhlezi ungizwa ngikhuluma ngo-Atlantis no-Lemuria. The fall of Atlantis, njengoba esengekho nje Atlantis la as a continent, beno-Lemuria as two continents, njengoba sesingenawo nje lawo ma-continents. It is because of our fallen angels. And uyawungizwa ngihlezi ngichaza ngithi u-Atlantis was situated la khona njengamanje esesithi it is the Atlantic Ocean, bese kuthi uLemuria yena was situated la esesithi khona manje i-Pacific Ocean. Shuthi lawo ma-continents ayelapho, and the fall nanokunyamalala kwalawo ma-continents nanokuthi kungaxoxwa ngawo kufihlwa wonke lowo mlando lowo, they are behind it. They are also behind ilokhungana lapha neBhayibhelini sazi ngokuthi uzamcolo kaNoah. Kahle kahle bafethu eqinisweni there has been so many zamcolos esake saba nabo la emhlabeni ngenxa yawo futhi ama-fallen angels konke lokho futhi umlando ofihliwe. ama ozamcolo esesaye saba nabo cishe bayela ku-9 manje, yabona. And njalo makwenza kuzamcolo bafethu, history is rewritten, history is erased, ngoba kulahleka yonke into, yabona. So ngenxa yama i-influence yama-fallen angels sabe ke sesilahlekelwa yonke lo mlando nayo yonke lento engiyichazayo, right? Ukutholana ke u-Atlantis was a supercontinent, a continent of cosmic advancement. Kusho ukuthi u-Atlantis beno-Lemuria bona masithi they were cosmically advanced, sisho ukuthi there were no, for an example babengasebenzisi bona lo gas thina sesusebenzisa njengamanje, yabo, lo synthetic. They were actually pulling planetary frequencies coming from the cosmos. Kusho ukuthi the cosmos izofike iphakele ama-frequency wakhona bese zongena kwi-planetary grid. The entire planetary grid structure is maintained by the cosmic frequencies. Kwathi bese kuthi ke idalwe ezayiphila kwa-Atlantis bese zimunca lawo ma-frequencies ziwafake kulezi zinto esiyibiza ngokuthi ama-ankh, yabona, okuyilesi siphambano esesithi isiphambano sase-Afrika ke, isiphambano esasisetshenziswa eGibhithe. The knowledge of that cross is also lost. It's not a cross as we think, because we are taking it back to religion masisho kanjalo. It was actually an alien technology, i-ankh. It is still an alien technology ekwazi ukumumatha ama-cosmic frequencies bese kuwukuthi yonke into esizoyikhomba ngaleyo device leyo alien device izolose i-gravity noma izo-reverse i-polarity. Nama-pyramids wase-Egypt akhandwa kanjalo, uyabona, through the same process of ukuthi kufakwa ama-frequency la kwi-ankh bese kukhonjwa lamatshe bese yakwazi ukulevitate bese beyawapositiona kahle ngendlela okuyiyona. Moses used the ankh to open the Red Sea. Kwadlula abantwana baseGibhithe. All of these things ezingama-mystery that we don't know how they happened. The ankh was used, yabona, to reverse the polarity of whatever le khonjwe nge-ankh bese kwenziwa noma ngabe yini ke. Now ma ukhonjwa nge-ankh umuntu, you are going to reverse polarity. You could change into anything. You could levitate. You could teleport. That's why ankh was only bestowed to the initiates. Once you've been initiated or created as a god, also wazi ukuthi unikezwe ke ngoba kwase kwazi ku-understand ukuthi manje sozo understand the responsibility that comes with the power of the ankh. Yayinganikezwa nombani. But throughout history sekhamba isikhathi ke, well, ama-fallen angels now they got their hands into ama-ankh and base bekwazi ukuthi bawaphosese nabo. But initially it was not like that. The sphere of cosmic frequency which provided Atlantis with cosmic frequencies used by the Atlanteans to create advanced technological mechanisms and civilizations. Kusho ukuthi ke lapha u-Atlantis beno-Lemuria njoba sithi they were cosmically advanced. Izindlu zakhona zayingakhandwanga ngezandla, Actually i-hard labor yayingekho la emhlabeni bafowethu. Kwakusetshenziswa i-ankh for everything. Especially izinto ezazisituated kwa-Atlantis nakwa-Lemuria. I-hard labor, amapiki namafosholo, no-crane nazo zonke izinto esezinawo ney'xaxa lezi oma-grater njalo njalo zazingekho ancient kwa-Atlantis nakwa-Lemuria. Kwakuvele kusetshenziswe nje i-ankh. Ngisho kwathiwa kufuna ukukhandwa ini. Why kunjalo is because kwakusetshenziswa ama-cosmic frequencies, and the cosmic frequencies are still the crystals frequencies that created everything. Yingakho-ke phela singaseze ukuyithola sesisebenzisa izandla noma i-hard labor ukwenza izinto. Therefore sasivele nje sisebenzise ilokhungana i-ankh. Uyabona, because it was empowered by the cosmic frequencies. La kutholakala khona i-grid, it's whereby the source of energy comes from. Kulaba ba-understanda kakhulu electricity sizokwazi ukuthi kunento ekuthiwa i-electric grid structure okuyiyona-ke ephakela ugesi kuzo zonke indawo. For an example, u-Eskom unayo i-grid nawo. Leyo grid isebenza ukuphakela ugesi ey'ndaweni ey'ningi. Neplanet ngokunjalo, since nayo iplanet iwugesi, the planet is bioelectric in nature nayo. So therefore nayo izoba nayo-ke nayo i-grid yayo eyisebenzisayo ukuthi ikwazi ukuphakela ugesi kuzo zonke indawo. Leyo grid leyo-ke etholakala laphana ekujuleni kweplanet. Uyabona, kwakumuncwa lawo mandla-ke ukuze kwazi ukuthi asetshenziswe. Uyabona, so le grid structure initially, this planetary grid, i-portal yakhona noma ama-portals akhona ayetholakala laphana kwa-Atlantis nakwa-Lemuria. But kwathi mangabe sebeqhuma u-Atlantis no-Lemuria njoba sesithi abasatholakala njengamanje la emhlabeni, yayisiyashiftwa-ke ilokhungana lama-portals eyashiftwa ayiswa kuphi? eGibhithe. Shuthi lama continents athi mangabe eqhuma kwase ukuthi idalwa ezasurvive lapho Atlantis no Lemuria zase zakwazi ukuthi zithathe ama remains zifune ukuthi zishiftele lama portals endaweni okuyiyona eyayisase right, and kwatholakala uGibhithe ukuthi yona ndawo eyayi right for ukuthi kukwazi ukulocateka futhi the portals aholela le to the planetary grid ukuze phela kuzokwazi ukuqhutshekwa nomsebenzi okade wenziwa kaAtlantis. Uyabona, sekuyachichiyelwa nje kuzama ukuvuswa lokho kade kwenziwa kaAtlantis nakwaLemuria, kuvuswa ngobani? ngoGibhithe. Uyabona ukuthi singabantu nathi ma silandela umgudu waseGibhithe sizokwazi ukuthola ama traces wethu, ikakhulukazi kulabo abakholelwa kakhulu ku-Egyptian mythology, ikakhulukazi kulabo abakholelwa kakhulu ukuthi abantu noma nje untu njoba uyawuzwa abantu abaningi khona abantu abakholelwa kulento yesintu ukuthi ke nathina siyabantu suntu. Actually we come from an ancestor called untu. That's where we actually came from. Uyabona ukuthi masingalandela lo mgudu sesifike eGibhithe singakhona ukuthola ama traces wethu. Ingakho eGibhithe babekwazi ukuxhumana nezinkanyezi, because esikhuluma about the cosmos. Ingakho babazi ngamanye ama dimensions, ingakho babesebenzisa ikhalenda elithe ukuhluka, babenalo lonke lolo lwazi eGibhithe. Yizeke nakhona phela lwaselishoda ngoba izinto zayingeke isafana nanjengoba zazingakhona ku-Atlantis no-Lemuria. But at least ngizama ukusho ukuthi masingalandela lo mgudu lo waseGibhithe singakhona ukufinyelela ekutheni sigcine sithola ukuthi kanti kahle kahle imvelaphi yethu thini ngoba njengamanje sazi ukuthi thina savela ku-Adam no-Eva sikhandwa uJehova, noma bona bekhandwe uJehova, sazi ukuthi bona ama-ancestors wethu amakhulu. Uyabona, okuyinto engesilona-ke iqiniso. So kuthiwa-ke lesi sphere was moved to Egypt by the members who survived Atlantis' fall. Egypt thrived, but never to the height of Atlantis. Yebo ku-Egypt naye wa-thrive, wakwazi ukuthi asimame, but akabange safinyelela kulesi sigaba u-Atlantis no-Lemuria ababekuso ngaleso sikhathi. Uyabona? So the same fallen beings continued to invade Egypt as well up until our modern earth history. Kungena lapho ukuthi ngithi uyabona ukuthi masingalandela eGibhithe sisuke nje la esikhona ngesinyuke sibuyele emumva ngokwe history size sifinyelele eGibhithe. Uyabona, singakhona ukuthola ama traces wethu ngoba kukhona enye isubject ebucayi bafowethu ebandakanya ukuphendukezelwa komhlaba khona izinto futhi ulwazi oselivuka manje ukuthi kahle ulokhungana imap iphendukezelwe bafethu uyabona but leyo into engizoyishiya ukuthi uzenzele research ngingangeni kuyo ngifuna ukuchaza kabanzi ngama fallen angels ukuze uthole ukuthi kwenzakalani uyabona but khona umlando osuvuka njengamanje othi there's a possibility ukuthi umhlaba ikakhulukazi imap yase-Africa iphendukezele lokho kusezansi thina besazi ngokuthi iSouth Africa kuthiwa actually it is the North Africa lokho kuphezulu thina besikwazi ngeNorth Africa la kutholakala khona oGibhithe no Morocco njalo njalo thina sikwazi ukuthi North kuthiwa actually lokho kusezansi kusho ukuthi iphendukezelwe le map nawe nje uma ungayithatha uyiphendukezele uyishift uyithi ngiyoke ngipostela amanye ama video ngelinanga achaza ngalokho kuthiwa ke kahle there's a possibility yokuthi imap kahle ikanjalo thina njengoba besibiza ngeSouth actually siwu-North nakhona uma umuntu engawazi umlando wakhe engayazi kwandawo kuyo ukuthi ikanjani akakhona ukuthi abe empowered ngolwazi phela yonke lento bafethu kusase yiwo ama efforts wokuthi basigcine to these lower dimensional positions esikuwona from indlela esicabanga ngakhona to indlela esiacta ngakhona and ukusifihlela lonke lolu lwazi it is necessary so that kuzoba lula ukuthi silawuleke ngoba inhloso enkulu yama fallen angels kusase yikho njalo ukuthi akwazi ukusilawula asimanipulate initially eqaleni bafethu thina we were angels sizingelosi ezathunyelwa ukuthi zizokwazi ukuvikela le planet nama planetary grids wakhona nama portals wakhona kanye nento ekubizwa esiyibiza ngokuthi i-universal stargate onke ama dimensions anama stargates wakhona each dimension has one bigger universal stargate bese kuba ama portals amancane ke plus the planetary core nama portals wakhona thina sizovikela zonke lezo zinto ukuthi ama fallen angels angakhona ukuba grab access. They currently do have the access but not full access because phela khona ama guardians ayavikela but umsebenzi omkhulu ushiwe ngakithi ingakho silalisiwe ingakho sigcinwa lokudla esikudlayo ingakho sigqoka lezi impahla ezinama chemicals ingakho besinfluencer ngemedia ingakho benza yonke into yaziyo embi yenzakalayo la emhlabeni ukuze basikhiphe kulama positions singazikhumbula ukuthi sithunyelwe sizeleni la emhlabeni khona abantu asebeqala ukuquestion ireality manje bebuza ukuthi kahle ngenzelani la emhlabeni bayafeel ukuthi ukuvuka eksena emsebenzini is never enough akusinto ayizela leyo so therefore they are starting to remember laba bantu. I'm one of those people, you are one of those people, nabanye singakahlangani nabo but people are starting to question reality kahle sezela lokho ke ukuzovikela le ndawo sivikelane sonke sikhanda ama civilizations wethu ahlangene neChrist noNkulunkulu ukuze sizophila i-civilization ebusisiwe uNkulunkulu hayi le cast by ama fallen angels njengoba kwenzeka ke. So the reason why bengafuna ukuthi sivoke is because abafuni silazi leli qiniso nakho konke abakufihlile uyabona. So ngokunjalo ke this sphere was moved lesi sphere lesi some planetary frequencies it was moved to Egypt and Egypt it thrived but never to the height of the previous Atlantis and Lemuria, right? So ama fallen angels ke kuthiwa aqhubeka namanje they are still continuing to invade ama locations balalise abantu ngenhloso ukuthi abafuna abantu okuyithini abafuna abantu ukuthi bavuke bazamaqiniso ngendawo abakuyo nanokuthi bazeleni kulo ndawo leyo, right? So konke ke lokhu throughout history nakuwo wonke ama dimensions nale dimension esesikuwo bakwenza kanjani lokuthi belibe bekhohlisa abantu belalisa abantu, right? They were using and they are still using into esibizwa ngokuthi it is the false light and reversed Merkaba field teachings. Kusho ukuthi bane umbrella yeimfundiso ezibizwa ngokuthi ke they are called the false light and reversed Merkaba field teachings. Uyabona? So ngalezo mfundiso ke imfundiso ezingamanga lezi sesizazi thina ikakhulukazi under lento esiyazi thina ngokuthi ikhabhala la emhlabeni. Contact ikhabhala uyayithole kahle kahle esetshenziswa yila abantu vele abafihla ulwazi. Uyabona? And ikhabhala iyayibe ne-structure sakhona nakhona esimisise okwemekhaba kusho ukuthi yonke into eqhamuka ngaphansi kwalezo imfundiso lezo i-fallen in nature. It comes from the false light teachings lezi engikhuluma ngazo and the reversed mekhaba. Imekhaba is a double energy structure which contains properties ka sound and light. Okuwukuthi when it spins, it creates electromagnetism, but it was reversed in nature. So that my spin, it creates a type of electromagnetism which is in a state of low vibration. Because Tina was supposed to be using higher vibrational frequencies. So there, once you reverse the spin of the Merkaba system, it then generates low vibrational frequencies. They reverse the entire Merkaba system of the planet itself in order to serve that purpose still. So these false teachings, they keep us doing leyo nhloso leyo of vibrating low, singenalo ulwazi, sidlana sodwa. Iy'lwane bafethu, they like ayikho into kwakuthiwa i-cannibalism. Iy'lwane zayingadlani zodwa. Wawungeke ufice ibhube esilihubhelini, wawungeke ufice inyoka kuthiwa igwinya umuntu, wawungeke ufice thina siyabantu sigwazana sodwa sibulalana. Ngisho ukufa sasingafi, sasithatha imizimba yethu ascende nayo njengoba sibonisa uYeshua. We did something called the ascension, not ukuthi sife sishiye imizimba yethu. Umzimba no consciousness noma umzimba nomphefumulo into eyodwa kumele ngabe kuyahlukana. Ucreate trauma lokho kumele ukuthi uhambe nawo umzimba wakho. Unyuka ubuyele kumdali. Umzimba wakho ngalesikhathi unyuka ngokwama dimensions, umzimba wakho ulibushintsha nje form. Awufi, ulibushintsha form. Manje sekuyenza umzimba wakho usuyafa usuba weak. Ukufa, ukugula, izinto ezazingenzeki lezo kithi. Idalo ezayiphila le kwa Atlantis izinto izisase right nakwa Lemuria. Zayingafi lezo idalo. Zayingaguli ngisho ukugula. Uyabona? Izinto lezo ezavela after ama fallen angels inventa yonke lento le. Uyabona? So these false light teachings and reversed Merkaba field teachings, they replaced the original ascension teachings of the law of one. Usho ukuthi kahle kahle u-Atlantis no Lemuria kahle kahle they were empowered by imfundiso ezaziwu original lezi singasasenazo ke la emhlabeni ezayibizwa ngokuthiwani. They were the ascension teachings of the law of one. U-ascension usho ukubuyela back to la uqhamuka khona. Angithi wena la uqhamuka khona, it's at a highest position. Wasuyehla weza kuma low dimensional frequencies or low dimensions. Uyabona? Kusho ukuthi ke mase kushaya isikhathi sokuthi ubuyele kuNkulunkulu, nyuka phela, ascenda. Okuyilento ongasakwazi ukuyenza njengamanje. Wena usufa ushiya umzimba wakho la, nakhona uascendi uphinde reincarnate uzozalwa kabusha. I-reincarnation akusinto engabe siyishayela ihlombe ingane zakwethu, ngoba isho ukuthi sisejele silibe siyafa siyabuya kwamhlaba, siyafa siyabuya kwamhlaba. Asiyenzi lento ekuthiwa i-dimensional ascension ukuthi ufela kwamhlaba unyukele to the next dimension. Nakulowo dimension isishaya isikhathi sakhona sokuthi unyuke futhi uphinde unyuke. Uyabona? Ayisekho leyo freedom yokuthi silibe nje sinyuka ngokwama dimensions sibuyela la sivela khona, ngoba konke lokho kwenziwa ama fallen angels. Inature yethu thina kufuzile ngabe siyafa silibe sibuya la nge-reincarnation. Ngihleze ngisho futhi bafethu ngiyakwazi ukuthi i-reincarnation singayishayela ihlombe ngathi into enhle. Ngiyangibona abanye abantu nje beyigqaja nge-reincarnation, aba understand akusiyona into ekumele ngabe iyenzeka kithina leyo siyabantu. Uyabona? So the law of one law ushoyo usho ukuthi uchazana, uchaza ukuthi zonke izinto zivela kumdali, therefore zonke izinto ziyobuyela futhi kumdali. That's the law of one. The law of one says ukuthi noma ungakhuluma ngani ivela kuNkulunkulu. That's the law of one. Kusho ukuthi zonke izinto eziningi ezihlukahlukene zivela entweni eyodwa. Lo nto eyodwa i-energy lesithi uNkulunkulu, iyo ke khande zonke izinto. So kusho ukuthi lezi imfundiso eza replacewa ngama false light teachings and reversed Merkaba mechanics teachings zazivela from the original teachings of ascension. Uyabona? Kwaphendukezelwa nje lezi imfundiso ezazi original ezazigxile kakhulu emthethweni wobunye under the law of one. Uyabona? The law of one states that all biology was created and is interconnected by one source of infinite energy. Yonke ke lento engiqeda ukuyichaza. All right. Asiqhubekeke sesizophetha. So these false teachings resulted into all distorted mathematical and scientific mechanics such as the yin and yang, the Kabbalah, the false tree of life, the Fibonacci mathematical sequence and spiral, the golden ratio, the daisy flower of life, Hermeticism, and the emerald tablets of Thoth, false Melchizedek movements and teachings. Yabona? So kusho ukuthi ke angithi ngizwile eqaleni ngisho ngithi thina siyitshela ukuthi imfundiso esinazo well zi-enough nolwazi esinalo ngoNkulunkulu nempilo njalo njalo ku-enough kanti akunjalo kuningi okufihliwe ngaze ngabala ne-matrix ukuthi iney'nhlelo ezikwazi ukuthi zisigcine senze into engesiyona intando kaNkulunkulu nokufuna kwaNkulunkulu yabona. So lama false teachings esiwashoyo ukuthi apromothwa ama-fallen angels ukuze akwazi ukusiwisa nathi sesibala ke ngoba emasithi false teachings sibali umbrella lapho ngaphansi kwale umbrella ke yalama false teachings izinto ezifana mathematics yes lesiyaziyo today because mathematics yanamhlanje uyayibona ukuthi inzima kanjani eyakudala ke esasisebenza kwa-Atlantis it was so logical so easy yayinga understandwa ngisho umntwana ona 6 yayingekho complicated njengoba isinzima njengamanje nakhona kwenziwa ngamabomu ukuze only few people will understand it and master it because once you master mathematics nakhona abantu understand mathematics today they don't know how powerful that subject is, you know. Umuntu jo understand mathematics is like advanced mentally and emotionally, it's spiritual mathematics but irreversed akusiyo le fuze ngabe sifunda ngayo. So it's still one of the false teachings. Hermeticism, zonke imfundiso zika Hermes lo esimaziyo Hermes Trismegistus yabona owaye uThoth wa reincarnator over and over again to shape or still to influence wayilibe ebuyiswa yoma fallen angels ngayo futhi i-reincarnation ukuzoqhubeka la egcine khona uyabona. So uHermes nje is respected, highly respected. Nawe mhlawumbe uyamangala mawungizwa ngikhuluma kanje ngehermeticism especially mawuthi umuntu obesekholelwa kuyo kakhulu uyitshela ukuthi nakhona i-right and i-hermeticism iwulwazi oluthe thuthu okumele lwazi wabantu akunjalo, it is reversed still ayifoli ngaphansi kwama-ascension teachings uyabona. The emerald tablets of Thoth siyawazi uBilly Carson unokukhuluma kakhulu about the emerald tablets namanye ke jama tablets such as lama tablets lawa asetshenziswa lokhungana ileando lapha nabathi uMoses lama tablets anama 10 commandments nayo yonke imithetho ayivela kuNkulunkulu, all those are false teachings. KwaBhayibheli uqobo lwalo sengichazele ngathi la creator yiwo ama fallen angels through the influence of the Roman Empire. Right. Collectively, these teachings are called Metatronic, Death Star, False Ascension, Merkaba mechanics. Shuthi nje ngikhela phezulu mangithi ama false teachings leli gamade ngilisebenzisa sithe these teachings were called the false light and reversed Merkaba field teachings. Igama lakhona eli-authentic eligcwele kuthiwa it is the Metatronic. Njoba uyawuzwa nje negama lithi Metatronic cube mhlawumbe uyitshela ukuthi ikhulunywa ngento enhle. No, it is not. It is ama-implants abawafakile la onto the planetary core to vibrate or generate lama cosmic frequencies agcwale to the entire planet. Yabona ihlahla imvelo engabe uyasondla isilimaze thina. Yabona, that's why sometimes imvelo inokusilimaza. Yebo ke siya understand ukuthi phela siya controlwa ke ne-weather, but kwaba khona isikhathi la khona imvelo kwenzakala into embi la emhlabeni ngemvelo thina siyitshela ukuthi iyintando kaNkulunkulu kanti not. Imvelo fuze ngabe mfethu hey understand ukuthi phela uplanet Earth umuntu uyisidalwa kwayena. Akufuzile ngabule ndawo le iyasilimaza ngemvelo liduma izulu limaze kabuhlungu beneyikhukhula zonke lezi zinto kumele ngabe ziyenzeka nesezake zenzeka emlandweni kwakungamele ngabe zenzeka ngoba kwagangwa ngeDNA ye-Earth uqobo lwayo yabona. So lezi imfundiso ke collectively seyihlangene zibizwa ngokuthi they are the Metatronic Death Star False Ascension yabona Merkaba mechanics wayengcizelela laphana ku false ascension uzokhumbula ukuthi ngithe imfundiso lezi ezazi original they were called the ascension teachings manje sesifaka false ascension ukukhomba ukuthi lezi ke yilezi sezingamanga imfundiso elibe ibhebhethekiswa ukuze abantu bengeze ukuzazi kubona nomlando wabo right. These fallen beings are the ones behind all alien abductions. Uswakwezwa ke ngama alien abductions ukuthi kukhona abantu abathi belele bantshontshwe ebusuku bethathwe uconsciousness wabo abanye futhi nemizimba yakhona zifike le idalo zivula iportal zikuthatha uyisiqu phelele unjalo zikufaka kule portal uye kulo dimension bakuxilongeke bagange ngeDNA yakho mabekubuyisa bakuvale konke lokhu ubuye wena ungasakhumbuli ubuye la emhlabeni ezweni lenyama uvuke ekseni uyazelula uyabona uvuka yonke into right nje umuntu uzayazama ukukhumbule ngeke ngaphupha ayaze ngiphupha qhubeka uthatha indisho ugeze uhambe emsebenzini kube normal konke ku kanti awusafani you are no longer the same ukuthi ngoba usakhumbula you are infiltrated kwenziwa ngalento ekuthiwa ama alien abduction alien abduction inhloso yakho ukuthi bafike lapha bekwazi ukuganga ngawo wonke umzimba wakho uconsciousness wakho ulibofuzo lwakho ama cells yonke into uyabona because they want to bathole ama samples we DNA yakho bezowaxuba namanye ama samples bekhande esinye isidalo ngawe noma nge DNA imprint yakho kwenziwe lento ekuthiwa i genetic hybridization uyabona lama fallen angels are also responsible for all military expeditions ikakhulukazi iAmerica yona siyazi ukuthi iganga kakhulu ngalezi zinto ze military all those things are influenced by ama fallen angelics the laboratory experiments zonke izinto ezenzakala esezenziwa ngale science yamanje ezenza la ko laboratory ukukhandwa kwezifo you know ukudla ku genetically modified yonke ama influences lawo ama fallen angels yonke by yonke lento bafutha I hope usuyabona ukuthi sisho ukuthini masithi yonke lento I matrix system iregulator ngama fallen angels iumbrella thina esiparticipate ngaphansi enama program iumbrella enama programs thina esiparticipate ngaphansi kwawo ngokungazi nakhona sijela ukuthi senze kuyikhona uyabona nanenye the creation of diseases izifo ngoba kade singaguli thina imizimba yethu bafethu thina besingafi besingadli besiphila ngefrequency bengekho into ekuthi ulambile khalisisa ama parasites lawo laba abenza uhealthy cishe sebe understand sekushiwo kaningi maningi ama influencers ku social media akhuluma ngayo lento ukuthi njalo mawulambile ama parasites lawo athi ngilambile faka ukudla wena isisu sakho singcwele isisu kahle kahle is your second largest brain ingqondo therefore kumele isebenze ngama frequency hayi ngokudla mabethi idla 3 times a day bazama ukucindezela amandla we frequency yengqondo yakho angimele ngabe uhlohla ukudla eswini kumele ngabe uyahleza uphefumula uphefumula wenza ama breath techniques mawukuthi uyadla mhlawumbe uzofaka nje something nganye nje ngosuku ngakusaswa ngeke udle futhi ingqondo yakho izobe ingasho ukuthi faka ukudla uzobe ungacabangi nanokucabanga ukuthi contact ukulamba kumele ngidle idalo lezakudala esithi zazi pure and holy ziphila kwa Atlantis before kungene ama fallen angels zaziphila kanjalo zingafi zingalambi ilwane zayingadlani zodwa imvelo yengabalimaza abantu yonke nje into was guided by the divine law of God the law of one lesisho uyabona ungaguli futhi nakhona ngokunjalo njengoba sengichazile nje so by far izinto esiyibalayo sithi the alien abductions the military expeditions the laboratory experiments the creation of diseases zonke lezo zinto izinto ezifola under ile umbrella yama fallen angels siyaqhubeka sithi the political agendas and assassination of abantu uyazi ukuthi ipolitiki ihlangene nokubulawa kwabantu njalo especially laba bantu abasoye bethi bavusa abanye abantu babulawa labo bantu zonke izinto zepolitiki yiwo futhi ama fallen angels ngokunjalo uyabona they practically created our current physical matrix system yezwa sengena lapho ke lokade ngikusho ekuqaleni ukuthi imatrix bafowethu iyona mbangela eholele ekutheni thina singazazi singabantu singabi nalo ulwazi lukaMdali imvelo nayo impilo esiyiphilayo even though thina siyasitshela ukuthi kunjalo when sinalo ulwazi we are knowledgeable ngoba there is also the highest forms of knowledge la kwamhlaba esiyasitshela ukuthi hayike lolu lwazi lona oluyilona fana nayi hermeticism and some other occulted knowledges kuthiwa leyo nto ayikho according to i-cosmic history lesikhuluma ngayo konke stili kusacreated nalokho kuvela kithi engazathi kuyasiza kungamanga kuyi-false teachings. It is not the original ascension teachings lawa esasizowafundiswa nguJesu noma lo muntu esimbiza ngoYeshua. Simbiza ngoJesu manje but originally waye uYeshua. Uyabona? So bafethu, with that said, siyayiphetha lapho. Ngithi ake understand ukuthi nothing. Kahle I'm trying to say ukuthi let us start to question reality at a deepest and at a highest level bafethu. Asithathe ngokuthi nje yonke into oyifunzwayo makuthiwa khamisa uboqala uthi yini le oyifake la before ngifunza yona uchazele ukuthi hayi ukuthi nokuthi nakhona ukuqala ukuthi hayi awume kancane ngisazoyo research ukuthi kuyiqiniso singafunzwa nje yonke into okuthiwa ukhamise ukufaka emlonyeni ngoba awazi kuzokwenzani makufika kwisystem yakho kuzokudalela ukugula ukwenza ube weak ukhwehlele ugule kube njalo yilento kwekade yenzeka kithi. And I'm so excited to see people starting to question irreality njengamanje. People are questioning amadlozi, people are questioning the integrity of politics right now. People are questioning even spirituality uqobo. People are questioning African spirituality. People are questioning history. That is a good thing. Ishayile ihlombe leyo nto leyo because as long as sahamba ngalo mgudu lowo sizoze sifinyelele kulamaqiniso ukuthi kahle kwadlalwa ngathi namanje sisagutshezelwa ama-fallen angels akaza ahambe bafowethu. Ngiyazi ukuthi ngokwe history sazi ukuthi idalwa ezifana nama-Anunnaki kuthiwa ayisekho sezahamba. That is the lie. They are here, they've been here, bahlala kwi-moon, bahlala kuma-skies. Ayafika ama-spaceships afika phake nje bese begubezela ngefu. I-weather sebeyakhona ukuyimanipulate manje. I-weather cabanga mayimanipulatewa yilabantu laba esihlala nabo la osopolitiki nama-elites mabekwazi ukumanipulate i-weather beyabantu abafana nathi. Uyacabanga ukuthi ama-fallen angels wona ke namandla angaka yini angayenza ngeweather? I-spaceships yakhona ukufika esibhake la esibhakabhakeni. Well ubone kuyifu a certain cloud. Yebo, they never left. They just had to tell you ukuthi they left. And they had to imbue that in history ukuthi they are no longer here, such as the Anunnakis. We think they are no longer here. Bahlala la emafini ngama-spaceships wabo for close up for a close range surveillance. Nemuni ngonjalo. It's a military outpost wama-fallen angels, ama-Anunnaki specifically. When nezinye idalwa ngoba phela sezahlangana zabaningi. Ngibalile ekuqaleni ngathi it was the Anu Elohim, the Draconians and Reptilians. Those three, they manufactured a whole lot of hybrids. Sino Zeta njengamanje maningi nje. Sino Omicron abakhona, sino Anu Melchizedek, maningi amanye ama-fallen angels akhandwa yiwo lawa awu-3 awaqale eswabiza ngama-primal fallen angels. They then manufactured the entire sigungu of ama-fallen angels. They never left. KwaMars noma kwaNibiru, they are still there. Badlozomela lo dimension ukuze ngoba iyona eseduze uMars noma uNibiru. That's a dimension close kakhulu ku-Earth because it's at dimension 4. From dimension 4 uza la thina la kwa-Earth sekwa dimension 3. So kwakumele basitshele ukuthi abasekho sebahamba babuyela kwiplanethi yabo kwalomlando kuthiwa babezela igolide laba. It is not true. They didn't come here for that. They came for something bigger. Babengesibo labana abantu abeza nje bedlula bafike bafuna igolide ngoba iplanethi yabo yayinenkinga njalo igolide la. Yebo, that is kind of true, but it is a story esincanyana esihlangene nenhloso yabo yokuza la. Kwakhona ukuthi kuthiwa basekho la sebahamba. Istory kwakumele basitshele sona thina ukuze singeze ukutatazela phela sazi ukuthi kanti kushuthi sisaonwa yemo ngoba masingathola iqiniso lokuthi hawu kanti basekhona shuthi khona esizokwenza ngalokho. So abafuni silithole iqiniso. Ingakho iscience mawuthi ugijimela ngakuleyo mkhakha leyo yokukhuluma ngabo ukuthi kwaba khona ama aliens la iscience isheshe kuvale ngoba isetshenziswa yibo kakhulu iscience ukuvala lonke iqiniso wonke umuntu. That's why mawumuntu usuzama ukufinyelela kwiqiniso uyawusheshe uprescribe ekuthiwa uschizophrenic, uyahlanya ngengqondo, izinto ezinjalo azikho, phuza amaphilisi, ayikho lonto, ingane science ayikho. Yabona nje ukuthi bafake iscience as isivalo as elite baqedile ngathi, because which means yonke into enga-approvanga iscience ayisile iqiniso. Ngisho wathi uyiqiniso iscience izothi kuwe it has not been scientifically proven. Ubokubone ngoba sekukhona no Meta AI, sekukhona no ChatGPT. Khona into othi mawuthi uyayi-researcha futhi uChatGPT ngiyawuthanda ngoba uba specific, like uyathanda ukukhuluma iqiniso. uMeta AI ukutshela kahle nje ukuthi that thing is not scientifically proven. Ngalokho uyakutshela ukuthi phuma lapho amanga lonto, kanti vele uhambe emguduni alright fuze ngabe uyaqhubeka uya research. Ngiyabona? So mase bevala ngescience bethi well iscience ayikakakuprove lokho, akukakabi iqiniso, kusho ukuthi bayaxosha lapho ukuthi suka kulowo mgudu lowo. Wena uzoyitshela ukuthi hayi kusho ukuthi ngoba iscience isho njalo akusile iqiniso, kanti iscience iphethwe yibo ukucontrol. They never left ama-Anunnaki nama-fallen angels. They are still here, still controlling. Ngabe bamsebenzisa kanjani ushadow government ukuba baleke kude? Ngabe belokhu benza iMerkaba teleportation? So they are here. Ezinye zeyidalwa zabo ziyakhona ukuzalwa ziphile enyameni njengathi. That's why kukhona abantu abafana noRamaphosa nje abakwazi ukuthi kube lula ukuthi bacindezele abanye abantu. Wena ulindele ukuthi uRamaphosa abe nenhliziyo enhle adabuke. That's why kulula ukuthi avela sign icontract ethi sinikeza imvume yokuthi sikwazi ukuaccess ama-South Africans angaka, sizokwazi ukwenza ukuthi akanendaba bamnikeza imali bamnonisela ngemali bonke labo ohulumeni laba aba-corrupt. That's why kulula ukuthi bakhohliseke because abafani nami nawe, abanawo lo mphefumulo mina nawe sinawo, bayingxenye ama-fallen angels, baqhamuka from there. That's why it will be easier for them ukuthi badayise ngabantu because ama-fallen angels they never left, they are still here influencing us. Kunzima kakhulu ngani zakwethu. Batholakala laphana ku-Mars on dimension 4 original okuNibiru, bezotholakala kwi-moon, banama-military outposts labahlala khona for observance noma for surveillance purposes. Bese from time to time bayakhona ukusuka with their ships from inyanga. Nakhona inyanga ngihlezi ngisho ngithi singayijabuleli inyanga, kuyakufana nalento mangabe ngithi nayo i-reincarnation singayijabuleli, nemoon singayijabuleli bafethu. Khona abantu asebe-associate nemoon njengamanje ngesikhathi sayi astrology, futhi usuya understand ukuthi kwa astrology le iyayibhedela nje sisebenzisa njengamanje. Ngesimanga sayo yonke into esengishilo phela ukuthi i-umbrella le yiyo ama-false teachings. Izinto ezifana nayo astrology o numerology siyakusebenzisa, o tarot card readings, o media, zonke lezi abantu abakwazi ukufemba baxhumane nama-spirits abangawazi bona beyitshela ukuthi ogogo nani yonke le bafethu kunzima kuningi okufihlwe. Ngiyazi nje mhlawumbe usuya-offendeka manje mawuthi mhlawumbe uma wakho noma wena uyakwazi ukufemba abantu. Mangakubuza nje ngithi unesiqiniseko sini sokuthi lo muntu osuke ukhuluma naye laphana ethi ugogo walo muntu umfemba uye ugogo walo muntu uyisiphi isiqiniseko? Masingaya ku-quantum science sikubuza ukuthi ukuprovile ngokwe-quantum field ukuthi ngempela uye ugogo wakhe, ngeke ukuprove ngoba lama-fallen angels ayakwazi ukumanipulate iy'thombe. Amaphupho esiwathola ngike ngachaza evidweni edlula ukuthi lo munye uJesu wabethelwa wa-influence kanjani ngawo amaphupho nangazi izinto zokuxhumana nemoya. Uyabona? Kuningi kakhulu ngani zakwethu, kuningi. Yabona? So nje isingakho sanamhlanje bafethu lokho benginiphathele khona. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngokuzayo kuzomela ngingene ngigxile kulama false ascension teachings before nje sikwazi ukuqhubela phambili ngoba sengithathe ngayifaka le topic lana. Kuzokwazi ukuthi ngokuzayo singene sigxileke sijuleke. Uyabona? So ngiyacela ukuthi kwezinye zezinto bafethu ongizwe ngikhuluma ngazo uzenzele nawe phela i-research, ungagcini ngokufunzwa uhlula umthakathi ukuze izinto ulwazi lizomesha manje. Uyabona? Mawukuthi futhi ke phela well uyakuthemba ngisho nalapho futhi anginankinga, but mina ngiyakunike yakho imvumo ukuthi nawe phela khuluma ngento oyi-researchile. Wayibona? I-research yakho futhi uyenze, ungagcini ngo-Google, ungagcini ngo-YouTube. Mina ngikurefer ku-Google no-YouTube uma ufuna ukwenza i-research, but ubothayisela nangolwazi olukhulunywa abantu. Uhambe nje uxoxe nabantu obezwayo ukuthi ulimi lwabo ngathi lu-woke. ubabuza uthi mfethu ngiyanizwa nikhuluma ngezinto ze consciousness nokuba woke ne history nani bafethu khona izinto eziyayikhulunywa omunye umfowethu lapha ko YouTube kanje uthi kuthini okwena ukuphawula bafethu benazi ini ngalokho bazoxoxela noma bengasho lokhu engichaza exactly but bazokuchazela into oyizwayo ukuthi align nale esho uhlula umthakathi. Uyabona nomunye uzoqhamuka nokwakho okuhlukile but uzobona nawe usuhlanganisa le izinto ezihlukahlukene ukuformulate isithombe sodwa uzobona ukuthi hayibo abantu abaningi ba understand ukuthi silalisiwe. Uyabona so zenzele yakhe research yenze yakhe research usebenzisa internet uphinde ubuze nabantu nixoxe nabantu bafethu sekuyisikhathi sokuthi siqale siyabantu manje si-communicate ngolwazi silihlanganise ukuze sizothola iqiniso elilodwa sikwazi ukuvuka ngoba silalisiwe. Uyabona with that said ngiyabonga kakhulu nje nganza kwethu ngiyaye ngithande ukuthi njalo mangabe usuqedile ukubukela ngiyacela bafethu ukuthi ucofe that thumbs up button ulike le video ucomment kuyo noma ngabe uthiwa wazi ukuthi uzosho ukuthini ufake nje idot ulisend ucomment noma usende i-emoji ufake i-emoji ye-heart noma ngabe ucomment kanjani but mawucommentile nje bafona ungayishare ilink yakhona ku-WhatsApp status sakho ku Facebook wakho ku Telegram wakho ku Instagram wakho nakhona ukuze abantu abaningi umthamo omningi wabantu bezokwazi ukufinyelela kulama video bezokwazi ukuthi abantu bavuke baqale bezenzela ama research. Uyabona ake sithi for example mhlawumbe nginamanga enkulumweni zami right ake sithi nginamanga but uyabona ukuthi sengikhuluma ukuthi kwakhona ukuthi ngikhuluma kanje it should strike something kuwena ukuthi sekuyisikhathi sokuthi ngiqale ngiquestion ireality. Uyabona still ngisahamba emgudwini oright ukuthi ngikususe la ukhona ubuka ngakhona ngoba khona umuntu whose entire structure yempilo yakhe is formulated by inkolo yeBhayibheli. Lo muntu lo ama foundations wakhe are formulated by inkolo yeBhayibheli noma inkolo yamadlozi. I'm trying to say question that reality as well. Uyabona so siyabonga kakhulu nganza kwethu ngicela ukuthi nikwazi ukuthi niphinde ningithamele futhi esiqephini esilandelayo. Ngiyabonga.